Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I'll show you a quick little file management tool of Microsoft PowerToys. It's called New Plus. Okay, so what it will do, you can create a folder from templates. Okay, what is templates? First of all, you have to create a folder of your own, and from the next time if you want to create another folder, just you can select from that template. Okay, let's see it in action so that you can understand. First of all, you will get New Plus under file management and New Plus here. Okay, what you have to do, you have to enable New Plus. If you do that, now if you see in context menu, you will get a New Plus here. Okay, you can create an all the templates will be available here. This is a text file template and this is a text folder template. Okay, sorry, example folder template. Okay, so what I will do, I will create a new folder first. Let's go here. I will create a new folder here, normal way. Say this is my regular folder template. Let's say this is project A, this is my regular folder template, and what I will do, in my regular folder template there will be a file called readme.txt, not txt, readme.markdown. Okay, md. Okay, and also I want in all my folder template another folder, let's say source, and another folder assets. Okay, so when I want to open create a new folder, I want to I want this structure. Okay, a readme file, a source folder, and an assets folder. That's my template, let's say. Okay, so what I will do, I will cut this one as a, I will save this as a template. I will cut here, I will click here, it will open the templates, PowerToys New Plus templates. I will paste it here, so this will be saved as a template here. Okay, so what will happen now, if I want to create a new folder from the template, I will click on right click anywhere and go to New Plus, and I will click on this project A. You see my templates are available here. See, now I will just rename, let's say this is my project B. If I go there, my project my folder with predefined template, I mean assets folder, source folder, and readme file is available. Okay, let's say I want to create another one, New Plus. Let's say this is project C. Okay, so if you do some repetitive task in your day-to-day life where you need to create a folder with some other folders and files on regular basis, you can do this by New Plus. Okay, also it will provide you to create template from file and create a template from folder. Okay, and not I think this is not much of a useful extension, but you can use it if you need one, because what in my sense, if I need a template here, I will just create a template folder and I will create my template there and just copy and paste to create a new folder. Okay, that is also okay. I didn't get any much benefit from this extension, but you can try it out, and if you like it, I hope that will be good for you. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.